Namaste. Bathing your newborn for the first time can make you feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry. With the right step and the gentle touch, it can become a special bonding moment. Let's begin with what you all need. A baby bathtub, a warm water around 37 to 38 degrees Celsius, mild baby shampoo, a soft cloth or a towel, a clean diaper and a baby cloth, and a cotton balls to clean the eyes, and a baby wrapper. Always check the water temperature with your elbow or your inner wrist. It should feel warm, not hot. Make sure the room is warm and draft free. Lay out all items beforehand. Never leave your baby unattended, not even for a second. Undress your baby. Leave the diaper on for now. Hold the baby securely in the cradle position, supporting the head and neck with your arm. Support your baby's head over the tub. Wet the scalp. Add a drop of shampoo. Gently massage and rinse thoroughly. Make sure the ears are closed with your finger, both ears. Immediately dry to keep the baby warm. Slowly lower your baby into the tub. First feet. Use one arm to support their head and shoulders, like this way. The other hand to wash them gently. Now gently first clean the face. Use a cotton ball gently to wipe the eye from inside to the outward. Use a fresh one on each eye. Use a soft cloth or your palm to take a small amount of soap. Gently massage. Pay extra attention over the skin folds, underarms, and for the girls, from front to back, wipe it, and for the boys, don't pull back the foreskin. Rinse and lift the baby out. Turn the baby around. Use a cup or a mug. Pour the water so that all the soap is washed out. Gently lift your baby out of the tub and place them directly onto the dry towel or a soft cloth. Pat your baby dry. Don't rub. Make sure all the folds are dry. Apply body lotion in case if needed. Then diaper and dress your baby quickly to keep them warm. Bath time isn't just about getting clean, it's about connection. Talk, sing, smile. Your baby will love the warmth of your voice and your touch. That's it. With little practice, bath time will become something both you and your baby will look forward to. Thank you.